Hello, my name is Catherine. You're welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my lazy method for making stew mix for quick healthy meals at home. Because let's be honest, as moms, we can't always start cooking from the scratch every day. That's why you need to stay with me. Let's learn how to
Hey Super Mom, welcome to your cozy corner for family, food and wellness, where we cook, connect and care for body and soul. Let's thrive together. For our stew mix today, I'll be needing fresh tomatoes, chili pepper and red bell pepper called tatasay. Of course, we'll also need onions. And I have washed my tomatoes ahead and kept in the freezer. So in this video, I'll just be pouring my frozen tomatoes into the pot and allow it to boil out. Lazy method, right? So when it starts to melt, I then add my washed peppers. That's washed shombo, chili pepper, and the tatasay that I have removed the seed from. I've removed the seed from the tatasay before I add it into the pot. So I'm also adding my diced onions, and we'll boil everything together. We just allow it to steam in the juice of the tomatoes and dry into the thick and flavorful stew base that you need to make stew with ease. So I just allow it to boil down until it becomes soft and thick. This stew mix is wonderful for easy jollof rice, easy stew, pottages, Yoruba stew, whatever you like to use your stew for. And the beauty of it is that you can always add additional spices to make different variants. So now it's all boiled down to the consistency I like. I'll add it after it cools down into my blender and blend it to the all natural stew mix that I can use. Very small to be like a little bit raw. So it's here. This is how it looks. In this video, I used about 15 kg of tomatoes and 2 kg of tatasay and 1 kg of chili pepper, aka shombo, and I used about 3 kg of onions to achieve this stew mix. See how it looks? Store it away, and whenever you need your stew, you bring it out. Add a bit of salt to store it so that you know it's well preserved. And this is how it look. You can just have it for your stew at any time you need. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tips on food, family and wellness. Until the next video, keep thriving.